Cheesy, crunchy, and garlicky. Could you ask for anything more from green beans? Kicking the classic green bean casserole up a notch, this Instant Pot green bean casserole recipe will have you and your fellow diners digging for seconds. Made for generations, the green bean casserole is one of the ultimate comfort foods. But your mama's green beans weren't made in an Instant Pot. There are so many advantages to using this modern marvel of an appliance. Both a slow cooker and a pressure cooker, this baby lets you do several things in one pot, quickly. With 2 kinds of cheese and a rich mushroom soup, this casserole is as gooey and rich as they come. The crunch of the panko and fried onions, and who doesn't love fried onions, makes this dish a winner. To top it all off, you get one of your daily servings of veggies in. Using fresh green beans, as opposed to canned, gives this dish even more crunch and nutrition. Not a fan of green beans? Substitute asparagus or broccoli. Both are crunchy and sturdy enough to hold their own against the heat and rich toppings. You can change up the cheeses too. Pick some that are good for melting, such as provolone, gruyere, or fontina. Any cheese on the fresher and younger, not aged side will give you more melt factor. Whether you follow the recipe exactly or make it your own with a few ingredient exchanges, this side dish will have your guests asking for the recipe.